Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Chemistry C World. So today we are going to be discuss that salts in the acid basis chapter. Okay. So before going to the topic, so please do subscribe my channel and share, like the videos. Thank you. Right. Salts. We must know about the salts in the previous what you can call what we learned in the neutralization reaction process. So in the neutralization reaction process, so when acid react with base, we are going to be get that salt and water. We are going to be get that when acid react with base, we are going to be get that salt and water. So here we have different types of salts. So we must know everything. So when we are going to be taken the strong acid and strong base, and there will be a complete neutralization, then we will get a salt, and this salt will contain that the pH value exactly 7. That means that we can call it as neutral salt. That means the strong acid, when the strong base is going to be complete undergoing for neutralization, we are going to be get a salt that we can call it as neutral salt, and this pH value is 7. So when we are going to be taken that strong acid and weak base, and we will get a salt that will have that acidic salt. What we can call that is acidic salt we have, and it is contain that acidic nature. The salt will contain that acidic nature. And when we are going to be taken the strong base and weak acid, and this salt will contain the what we can call basic nature. So this is about this pH value is always less than 7 and pH is always greater than 7 here. Okay, na? So this is about a basic information about the salts. Once again I am repeating this neutralization process. When acid react with base, we are going to be get that salt and water, and in the salt is going to be formed here. How the salt is going to be formed? In the neutralization process, the acid react with the base and we are going to be get a salt and water. When the strong acid and strong base is going to be undergoing for complete neutralization, we are going to be get a salt. That salt in the nature of neutral, and the H value is become that equal to 7. pH value is going to become equal to 7. When strong acid react with a weak base, we are going to be get a salt. That salt will be in the acidic nature, and its salt contain that pH nature is pH is less than 7. And when strong base react with weak acid, and this we are going to be get a basic salt, that pH value is always greater than 7. Yes, right. Now what we are going to be used generally in our daily life, the common salts we are going to be, we know that we must know that is sodium chloride. Okay, na? So we know that sodium chloride is going to be having a formula, chemical formula, that is NaCl. So it is going to be called, generally we are going to be used in our daily life, right? So what are the byproducts? What are the products? By using NaCl, what we are going to be get the salts again? What are the salts we are going to be get? That all we must know that. And by using NaCl, we are going to be what salts we are going to be prepared in this video. We are going to be learn it, right? Okay.